Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a task in Trello in 2024. Trello makes it very simple to manage tasks effectively. Also, you can tasks which is called cards on Trello are essential for tracking of course your tasks and through your projects. So to do so, make sure to follow this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Just go to the URL section then. Type, of course, Trello.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you'll be taken here instead. So here, click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can click on get Trello for free. And as you can see, you can use, if you have like a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account, you can use one of those so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account to fill up your information manually. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the last workspace you've visited. Of course, if you didn't find yourself here, just go and create yourself a workspace. It's very easy to do. I've made some videos about how to create one, how to delete one. You can go and check them out later. So, of course, now to create a task or to create a card, we'll need to go and create a board for it. For me, as an example, I have here some boards created, but what if you don't have any boards? You can simply just come here and click on create. And as you can see, you'll find create a board if you want to start from scratch. Everything or nothing is made, or you can start with a template. So if you go and click on start with the templates, as you can see, they have multiple templates here. If you click on more explore templates, you'll find more templates in here to look from. As you can see, a lot of them. So choose whatever suits you and start with it, or you can simply just go and click on create board, choose a background as an example. Maybe as an example, I'll choose this, see more photos. I like this background, why not? Then you'll have to give it a title. So the title for me, it's going to be, I don't know, double H. I'll just do that. Visibility, you can make it private for workspace, like everybody in this workspace, or you can put it as public. Public, of course, anyone on the internet can see this board. Only board members can edit it. So everybody will be able to see it, but just the board members who will be able to edit it. So for me, I'll just let's on workspace here. And as you can see, this workspace has 7 boards remaining. Basically, if you're on the free plan, you'll get 10 boards. But to get unlimited boards, you'll need to to get an upgraded plan. For me, it's fine. I'll just go and click on create. As you said, if you want to start with the templates, go and click on start with the templates. So here I'll be taken to my board right away. So to create a task or to create a card, we'll need to first of all create some lists. So as an example in here, I'll create 3 lists, H list, double H list, and triple H list. Why not? Let's just create the 4th one. Why not? Of course, you can create the same like name list however you want. So once you create your list as an example, you'll find this add card option. This is the cards or the tasks that will be attached to each list. Normally this list as an example, you can name it on something like that. Maybe as an example, waiting for it. So waiting to get started as an example. Why not? For this one, we can name it in progress. And for this one as an example, we can call it like waiting for review. And this one as example, we can name it completed. As that, yeah. Now, of course, you can add each card as an example for each one of them, or you can simply just keep adding cards in here. As an example, I'll just name it H in here, double H, triple H, and yeah. Now, of course, you can click on whatever card you want. You can delete it if you want to. And as an example, maybe it's waiting to get started. Now we created our cards. We can simply just drag it here into in progress. So it's basically a task or card. Wait, once it's in progress, once it's finished, of course, example, waiting for review, after that's completed, and etc. Of course, you can click on a specific card to assign some members to it. As an example, because I'm the only person in this workspace, so I have just myself to assign myself to. Labels, you can give it some labels. Maybe as example, you have some tasks that are important, priority maybe. So As an example, you can create like some priority like labels. Of course, you can just go here and click on create a new label and name it priority and give it like the red color because it's a priority as an example. Then click on create, and as you can see, you will find now a label called priority. If you check it, it will be assigned to that task or to that card. Other than that, you can add some checklists, add some due dates as an example, add some attachments if you want. You can add some pictures, whatever you want. Other than that, you can add some covers, custom fields, some power-ups if you want to, some automation buttons, and actions. Example: move to, copy, make a template, archive, or share. Of course, you'll be able also to link some cards together with each other, basically by clicking on this share button, copying this URL, and go to another card. As an example, maybe this card is in progress and it's related to this card. So I'll just click on this card, go to description, paste that link in there, and click on save. Once I click on save, as you can see, this is changed. And as you can see, they'll tell me the H card or H task. As an example, if I have ours, I'll be able to see it. It's on the list of waiting to get started. So as an example, if I click on it, I'll be taken to that specific card right away. So I link those two cards together. As you can see, very simple to do. And yeah, that's how you basically create cards on or tasks on Trello. Now, of course, example, waiting to get started, you can put it on progress example. Once it's finished, you can put it on waiting for review. And then after that, you can put it on completed. Of course, you can do the same like settings here for each card you have. You can customize other things for this example. Maybe you can put this a due date for it as example. So example, yeah, this is on 10 September. This card is due less than 24 hours example. So it's kind of a reminder. Once you finish example, you can simply check it out like this card is completed and etc. And yeah, so normally that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you have any issues, you can leave it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.